Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to my channel. In this mixed media project, I'm going to be using mixed media paper, and then I'm going to use the speckled egg distress spray stain, and then snow flurries distress mica stain, then carved pumpkin and distress oxide. So I'm going to shake those well, and then I'm going to spray on the mixed media paper. So I'm going to spray on this acrylic block, and then I'm going to add it on the page. I'm going to be using the same way the other colors. Then I'm going to dry this. So now I'm going to add the other color. So I'm going to be posting this month and the next month, uh, maybe a little bit fewer projects. I'm moving into a new house, so I'm kind of very busy packing and unpacking. So you might see my videos little bit less, but I'm going to get back to that. So now I'm using this stamp for the background. I'm going to list all these things in my description box. So, like I said, I'm moving into a new house, and like I have a lot of things to do. So, I may not post many videos, but I will definitely post it. And I may not reply also immediately. It'll take me some time for me to reply, but I'll definitely reply for your comments. Um, please, I'm so sorry about it, but definitely I'm going to get back to you guys. I'll post some more videos maybe after 2 months. So I will definitely come back. So I'm using here different stamps for the background. I'm using the stamp, and instead of archival ink, I'm using this spray. If you don't have this stamp, you can even try using stencil and spray on that. Then I'm going to dry this background. Now I'm going to add this distress oxide pad, ink pad, and I'm going to stamp using that. Now I'm going to um, add these elements. These are more like a text element. So before adding the focal point, I'm going to just place it and see how I want it. Then I'm going to add this color, which is carved pumpkin distress oxide, and I'm going to add this little bit and see, like, to give a little bit of color in the background. I'm adding this extra. It's optional. If you don't want to add it, it's fine. Then I'm going to just move it around with the white paint and blend it. Then I'm adding extra white and blending it. Then I'm using this acrylic ink and I'm going to splatter on the top. Then I'm going to dry it and then add this focal point. You can see that I changed my mind. So now I'm adding this as a focal point. Then I'm going to add some more elements in the background. These are like the leftovers of the other project, and I'm just going to add in this project. Once they are dry, I'm going to cut it off. Then I'm going to add this butterfly on the side. Then I'm going to add the coat. I'm just going to add this leaf before adding the coat. I'm adding this leaf and then add the coat and finish the project. I hope you enjoyed watching this project. I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.